If you drive an E46 BMW, you know those little electrical gremlins can be a nightmare. But what happens when a tiny switch is the only thing standing between your car and a potential thief? We're looking at the PC-549686 anti-theft alarm switch, specifically designed for the 2001 through 2006 BMW 325i. Let's be honest, when you're replacing a critical security component, you aren't looking for flashy upgrades. You're looking for reliability and a perfect match. This switch promises to be an OE replacement, meaning it should meet or even exceed the original factory standards. That's a huge claim, but based on the design specs, it seems focused entirely on restoring that factory performance and giving you back that high-level functionality you expect from your vehicle's security system. The biggest win here, especially for the DIY mechanic, is the promise of a direct replacement. Nobody wants to fight with a part that's almost right. This unit is meticulously designed for that specific 325i chassis, ensuring the installation is genuinely straightforward. No fuss, no complications. It's designed to match the original part perfectly, which is exactly what you need when dealing with sensitive wiring and security systems. Compatibility is always the elephant in the room with older BMW parts, so they wisely stress checking the fitment chart to confirm that this switch matches your vehicle's requirements. If your 325i falls within that 2001 to 2006 window, this PC-549686 switch should deliver that seamless fit and restore your peace of mind. It's not a glamorous part, but it's absolutely essential for maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's security system. If you need to fix that nagging alarm issue without breaking the bank on dealership parts, this OE replacement looks like a fantastic, reliable solution that gets the job done right the first time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.